So, hello all, welcome to Shri Purnima Jyoti here. A very good morning and a very happy week started. We are dealing with sarees and dress materials. It's a small home-based store. Okay, we dispatch all across India and also worldwide. The shipping charges for singles are 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available for all the products. COD processing charges is 100 rupees extra to the total product cost and the total shipping charges. Okay, so today we have come up with some linen cotton. Okay, linen slab linen cotton. Okay, it's all batik printed. Okay, you have the batik dyed together. So these sarees are priced at 1200. Shipping is extra as I have mentioned earlier. So let's go with the sarees now. Yeah. So you have the contrast colors in the pallu and also in the borders. Okay, or the fabric is a linen cotton. Okay, so the first color is this one. You have the green with purple shade. Okay, violet shade of a thing, and you have the batik printer. So inside the body you have small buttas coming. Okay, the each and every saree will have some different designs in the body part, and also the pallu will be different in every sarees. So this is the first one. It's a green with purple shade. The saree length is 6.5 meters and you have 1 meter blouse, the same color as the pallu. So this is the first color. It's green with purple. Okay, you have the silver zari in the both the corners. Okay, in both the borders you have the silver zari and you have the pallu like this along with the contrast blouse piece. Okay, the blouse also has the batik printed either in the border or in the body part. Okay, so this is the first design. Okay, priced at 1200. The fabric is linen cotton. Okay, so this is the first design. Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. I have mentioned the details in the description. You can check there. So this is the first saree. Please take the screenshot. Yeah, hello ma'am. So this is the next color. So this is the next one. You have the pallu like this. It's a ash color and it's a blue color. Okay, in blue shade. So this is how the saree will be looking. You have the batik printed in the body part. Okay, the body you have the buttas printed and in the borders also along with the batik design printed in the body pallu. Okay, so you have the pom-poms in the pallu. Okay, and the blouse piece comes in the contrast color. Okay, inside saree. Okay, so in the previous video someone asked for the inside saree. I didn't notice it. Sorry for that. So this is the inside part of the saree. So this is the next color. It's a blue with ash color. This is how the saree will be looking. So for all the orders and enquiries, please take the screenshot and share with me on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. I have mentioned that in the description as well. So all our collections are listed in our WhatsApp catalog. You can verify there for all the available collections. So the next one comes with the red with black combination. The fabric is very lightweight. So it's red with black combination. So this is how the pallu will be looking. You have the pallu design like this along with the coming contrast color and the body part is like this. So please take the screenshot for all the orders and enquiries. So this is the next saree, red with black combination. So all the sarees are priced at 1200, 1200. Shipping extra. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. For multiples you can check with me in my WhatsApp. So this is the next one. Okay, it's a sea blue shade with a different shade of a maroon. Okay, and this is the pallu part. Okay, the saree total length is 6.5 meters. Very soft. So this is the next color. Okay, and this is the pallu part along with the blouse coming contrast. So this is how the saree will be looking. next one comes with blue and orange. Okay, so this is the color. Okay, it's a dark ink blue, okay, with orange tone, and the pallu is like this. You have the pom-poms for all the sarees, okay, and the silver zari border comes to the all the sarees in both the borders, okay. It's a silver tissue border. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a blue with orange with batik prints, and this is the pallu, and you have the contrast blouse piece. So for all the orders, please take the screenshot and at least share the description, the fabric details, so that it will be convenient for us to share the details. Okay, so this is the next one. Price at 1200, shipping extra. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. All of them are lightweight, and this is a green with mustard. So this is the body part. You have the green, and the contrast color is mustard. So this is the look of the saree. It's a dark green color with mustard combination. So this is the pallu part. You have the pallu design like this, and the blouse piece coming in the same mustard color. So this is the full look of the saree. Green with mustard. So the next one comes with purple and orange. So each shades are completely different, and the orange, the shade of the orange will be different. Okay, so this is the next color. Just a minute. Yeah. So this is a purple, okay, violetish purple with orange tone. And this is the body pallu part, okay. This is orange shade, okay, brownish orange shade. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a violet color, okay, purple color, violetish color with brownish orange tone, pallu, and the blouse piece. Okay, this is how the full saree will be looking. The fabric is a linen cotton, okay, very soft saree, but after wash you will be getting very soft as well. Starch is not required. If needed, you can put it. So this is a black with orange, okay. This is how the pallu will be looking, and this is the body part, okay. The buttas will be slightly varying for each and every saree. Some sarees will have the same kind of a butta. We will be posting the pictures as well in sometime in our page. You can cross verify for the colors. In video, due to some resolution, there might be some color variation possible. So this is the next one. It's a black with orange. This is how the saree will be looking. Full saree will be looking, and the pallu design, and the body part, blouse piece. Okay, you have the blouse piece with the batik design as well in the both the borders and also in the center design. So for the full look of the saree, this is how the saree will be looking. Black with orange. Okay. And the next one is again a different shade. Okay, so this is the body pallu part, black color with a grape color, okay, purple shade, only dark purple shade. This is how the body will be looking with black combination. A very lovely color. So this is how the saree will be looking. Very lovely color. Okay, and the pallu. Okay, black color combination with black color blouse piece. The blouse piece also has the batik designs printed in the body and the borders. So this is how the saree will be looking. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. So please take the screenshot and share the details for orders and enquiries. Thank you, ma'am. So the next one is a pink with black. Okay. So this is the body part and this is the pallu part. This is the design in the pallu. The fabric will be very soft. The quality will be very good. So it's a pink with black combination. This is how the saree will be looking. Pink with black. Lovely combinations again. So this is the blouse piece. Okay. A plain body with just the batik prints in the borders. Okay. All the sarees has the silver tissue borders. So this is the full look of the saree. A pink with black. So next comes with yellow with black. Okay, a nice color again. So this is the pallu part and this is the body part, yellow with black. So all the sarees are priced at 1200. This is a saree look, full saree look, yellow with black color. This is the pallu and you have the blouse piece in black color as well. So plain blouse with batik prints in the borders. So this is the full look of the saree, yellow with black, priced at 1200. Shipping extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available for all the products. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra to the total product cost and the total shipping charges. So this is the last color. So it's a orange with black. Okay, orange with black combination. All the sarees are dyed. So this is the next one, orange with black combination with full batik prints and the pallu here. All the sarees has the pom-poms as well in the pallu. This is the pom-pom color. The colors of the pom-pom will be matching with the colors of the saree and you have the blouse piece in the black color. So this is the saree look. This is how the entire saree will be looking. Orange with black combination. Price is 1200. So all the sarees which we have shown will be posted in images after some time in our page. So you can cross verify the images as well. So all the sarees are priced at 1200. Shipping is extra as I have explained. So thanks for all your support. Keep watching, keep supporting. So please like our page and follow our page so that we will be posting more and more collections here on. Diwali collections is also coming up. So we have already started the Diwali collections and all the collections will be going to be displayed. So please like and support our page. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.